In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate WiseCard. By the end, you'll clearly understand the two ways to deactivate a WiseCard, when to use each option, and exactly where to find them in your account. First, log into your Wise account. Once you're signed in, look to the left side of your screen for the main navigation. Click on Cards in that left pane. This takes you to a page that lists all the cards linked to your account. If you have more than one, take a moment to make sure you're looking at the correct one. Check the last 4 digits and the card label so you don't deactivate the wrong card by mistake. Now, select the card you want to deactivate. When you open that card's details, you'll see there are 2 options available. You can freeze the card, or you can delete it entirely. These do very different things, so let's quickly break that down for clarity. Freezing the card is a temporary pause. Click Freeze Card, and transactions on that card will be blocked. This is ideal if you've misplaced the card or just want to stop new charges while you double-check recent activity. The key benefit is that you can unfreeze it later and start using it again, which makes it a low-risk option if you think you might find the card or simply need a short-term lock. Keep in mind that while a card is frozen, new purchases will be declined, and any merchant trying to charge it may not be able to complete the payment. If you're certain you no longer want the card, scroll down within that card's page. At the very bottom, you'll see the option to delete the card. Deleting is permanent and will remove the card from your account. This is not reversible, so be absolutely sure you've selected the right card before proceeding. Deleting is helpful if the card is no longer needed or you want to fully retire it from your account. When you click delete, you may be asked to confirm your choice as a security measure. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Once deleted, the card will no longer appear under your cards, and it can't be reactivated later. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to Cards on the left pane, pick the right card, then choose whether to freeze it temporarily or delete it permanently at the bottom of the page. Choose the option that best fits your situation, and you're done.